In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your sending from country in Remitly. If you need to update the country you send money from in your Remitly account, this is a simple process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to look for. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Remitly account so any changes you make are saved properly. Start by opening your Remitly account. You can do this through the Remitly app or by using the website, depending on which version you normally use. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to make sure everything has fully loaded, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. This helps avoid missing any menu options. Next, look for the Manage section and click on it. This area is where Remitly keeps your account settings and personal preferences, so if you ever need to adjust account-related details, this is usually the place to start. After opening Manage, find and click on Profile. Your profile contains the information linked to your account, including settings related to how you send money. Once you're on the profile page, scroll down carefully until you find the section labeled Sending From. This is the setting that controls the country you are sending money from. It's important to choose the correct country here because it can affect the services available to you, the currencies shown, and sometimes even the transfer options in your account. When you locate Sending From, click Edit. This will open the option to update your current country preference. From there, choose the country you prefer from the available list. Take your time and make sure you select the correct one, especially if several country names look similar or if you use Remitly while traveling. After selecting your preferred country, click Save to confirm the change. Saving is the final step, and without it, your update may not be applied. Once saved, your account should reflect the new sending from country. If you don't immediately see the change, give the app or page a moment to refresh. In some cases, closing and reopening the app can also help. And that's all it takes. That's how to change your sending from country in Remitly.